Hello, in front of me I've got Atlantis Mini Pro. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. To pair your mouse with app, firstly make sure it's connected with your PC, and next go to Lamzu website. Find Lamzu and downloads. Find Atlantis Mini Pro, select it and select download. Next, install the app and open it. As you can see, your mouse will be automatically recognized. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.